Hello everyone, I am Satyam Kumar, a recent graduate of Parul University where I have completed my BTech in Computer Science and Engineering. From the moment I stepped in, everyone has been very supportive and helpful. It feels like there is always someone ready to guide us and answer all questions we have. What's truly remarkable is the exposure I am getting here. I'm getting like how a corporate environment operates. I'm especially excited to be a part of live project which give me a chance to apply my skills in real world problem. During this internship, I am confident that I will gain practical software development experience and deep understanding of industry's best practices. At last, a huge thanks to entire byteXL team for their guidance and to Parul University for preparing me for this valuable opportunity.